Ever tried texting your crush or friend and thought, ugh, what should I say? Well, guess what? There's an AI out there that could write it for you, and not just text messages, but love letters, essays, music, and even entire video scripts. This video is not one of them. Or is it? Yep, welcome to the world of generative AI, where machines are becoming creative partners. But is that really a good thing? Stick with me, and we'll explore how this technology works, what it's already doing in your life, and what the future might hold. Okay, let's make it simple. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content, whether it's text, music, images, or even entire videos, based on patterns it has learned from existing data. Imagine you're teaching a kid to draw by showing them hundreds of pictures. Eventually, they start creating their own drawings that look surprisingly original. That's what generative AI does, except it's more like showing 1 billion images to a super smart computer. And it's not just learning, it's creating. Cool, right? All right, here's a peek under the hood. Generative AI models, like ChatGPT or DALL-E, are powered by a kind of brain called a neural network. These neural networks are trained on vast amounts of data, think millions of books, photos, and sounds, to recognize patterns. Then comes the magic. Once the AI learns enough, it can generate something new that feels real and relevant. For example, ChatGPT can chat with you like a human by predicting the most likely sequence of words. Or DALL-E can generate images based on descriptions, like a cat in a spacesuit drinking coffee on the moon. I mean, that's exactly the kind of weird stuff people ask for. No judgment. You've probably interacted with generative AI without even realizing it. Ever seen those AI-generated art pieces? Some have sold for thousands of dollars. Even music producers are getting creative with AI tools to co-write songs. In healthcare, doctors are using AI to personalize treatments and even predict diseases before symptoms show up. And in the business world, AI is writing catchy ad copy and handling customer service chats. Those polite chatbots you meet online, yep, there's a good chance they're powered by generative AI. But what if I told you that AI could even create deepfake videos so real that it's hard to tell fact from fiction? Stay with me. This gets even wilder. Here's a jaw-dropping example of what generative AI can do. Deepfakes. These are hyper-realistic videos where AI swaps faces, creating content that looks, well, disturbingly real. A recent viral deepfake featured Tom Cruise doing all sorts of things he never actually did. While deepfakes can be entertaining, they also highlight one of the biggest challenges of generative AI, misinformation. Imagine seeing a fake video of a politician making false promises right before an election. That's the kind of risk we're dealing with, and why we need to stay informed. Because if you ever see a video of me saying, "I love pineapple on pizza," you know that's AI trickery. Deepfakes, great for memes, not so great for elections. This AI stuff is like a Marvel villain, fascinating, but kinda scary. Generative AI is like a superpower. Used the right way, it can revolutionize industries. We're talking faster innovation, personalized experiences, creative breakthroughs, and even life-saving solutions in healthcare. But of course, every superpower comes with its kryptonite. Generative AI raises tough questions about ethics, risks displacing jobs, and has the potential to spread misinformation and bias. It's exciting, no doubt, but it's also a little intimidating. That's why understanding these risks is key to making sure AI works for us and not against us. So how do we ensure that AI stays in our control? Stick around, we're not done yet. So, here we are, AI that can draw, write, and even think creatively. And as impressive as it is, the real question isn't just what it can do next, but how we can shape it to serve us responsibly. The key is staying curious and involved, because the more we understand these technologies, the better equipped we'll be to guide them in the right direction. It's not just about what AI can create, but how we manage its risks, keeping innovation exciting without letting things spiral out of control. Think of it like driving a fast car. It's thrilling, but only if you stay in the driver's seat. Now, it's your turn. What do you think about generative AI? Is it a force for good, or are you a bit worried about where it's heading? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the coolest tech trends.